The first week in Lithuania can feel confusing, but if you follow the right steps, everything becomes easy. Let's break down exactly what you should do in your first week after arriving in Lithuania. Day 1 and 2 are all about settling in. After you arrive, go to your accommodation, unpack your essentials, and make sure everything is in order. At the same time, get a local SIM card so you have internet access and can communicate easily. Day 3 and 4 should focus on your university. Visit your university campus, complete your registration, and collect any student ID or important documents. This is also the best time to understand your timetable and meet international student support staff. Day 5 and 6 are for legal and administrative steps. You should begin your temporary residence permit process as early as possible. Delays in this step can cause complications later, so don't ignore it. Day 7 is about adjusting to your new environment. Explore the city, understand public transport, and locate important places like grocery stores, hospitals, and your university route. Another important point is document safety. Always keep your documents organized and accessible, because you may need them frequently. Here's the smart strategy. Follow a structured plan instead of doing everything randomly. Completing important tasks early will reduce stress and give you a strong start. Your first week sets the foundation for your entire student life. Start strong, stay organized, and move with confidence. And don't forget to subscribe to Study in Europe for clear and practical guidance.